Salamat. So, we are about to proceed with our day. Now, before this was held, there were several questions that were relatively important as to the rationale of this fun day. Well, we held this already last year, if I'm not mistaken, 2 years ago, and even last year also. And well, madali lang naman yung rational eh. As for me, this is how I think about it. When the Greeks were still living in the 5th century, they used to have this motto, mens sana in corpore sano, which means a healthy mind in a healthy body. Wow! In our entire life here, we have been trying to nourish our mind. But sometimes we forget to nourish or to maintain our body, meaning physical fitness. And I think ito na yun. O, sa isang araw, sinusubukan natin, kagaya niyan, bawa. Yun, basta eh, healthy. Alimutan ko rin yung susunod ko sasabihin. Anyway, so, tapos na to. I'll see you again tomorrow for the next activities and the coming days. Tapos, makeup class. Huwag niyo kakalimutan yung mga makeup classes natin.
Wala na yun!
International Political System, 7
Wala na yun!
President Mr. Rico.
Wala po reporting natin.
Anastasio, ano nangyari? Please consent sa design sa day. Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga nagstay at pumunta sa ating fun day ngayong taon. At sana patuloy niyong suporta ng forum. Ayun, sana magtulong-tulong tayo. At huwag niyo akong mag-trimal sa akin! Makikiusap ako, please! Maraming salamat po.
Wait, announcement. Yung pudahan daw ng intermit call tayo, open na tayong nandun. Hanggang Friday yun, open. Makikita yung sa...
Nakapagura na po, pala lang.
Tapos bukas...
Palakpakan to!
Yung play ko tumayo! One point stay daw. Tapos yung debate ng mga professor sa Wednesday na
Totoo ba yung debate na yan?
Opo, totoo yan.
Kasama kami dyan?
Eh, yung ayaw magde-debate, sir eh. 2 p.m. Tapos may viewing Wednesday, 9 o'clock sa ABR.
Monday, PSS.
Yung pageant, Friday. Tomorrow,
Picture na ako,
yung play, Recycon, tomorrow, 2 to 5, please be there. Ulit lang, 1 fall stay. Thank you.
LRT pa bukas.
442 makeup class sa IPS bukas, chapters 3 and 5. May receipt.
Attention, free banana care of
Free banana.
Socialist Republic of Congo.
Uy, wag ako sino.
Chapter 3, yung legislative